Notorious Migo _ Really just the love for music. Like, I've always been into all types of music. Like, I've always loved music, and I knew I can't be a rapper. It's not for me, you know. I'm more of the type where if I listen to a song, I'm gonna pay attention to the beat before I pay attention to the lyrics. And that's when I was like, all right, I have this interest for the sounds, for the beat making. So, you know, I always had this thought: should I do it? Should I not? I did not know where to start, and I ended up getting GarageBand. From there, I just started fucking with it a bit, you know, trying to get my own little sound, my own little twist to it, and yeah, from there I was like, all right, I'm gonna keep doing this. You know, sending beat packs out. People started fucking with them. You know, they're like, yeah, bro, like I got on this track. When they sent that back and I heard like the beat with their lyrics on it, it gave me like motivation, you know, like hearing my beats with actual vocals on it. Now it gave me a whole different vibe on, you know, producing. I want to say started around 2016, and you know, I was learning. 2018, when I was really like, alright, I'm gonna do this shit. I'm gonna try to learn everything, you know, from mixing, mastering, just the whole get down. And, you know, I've been doing a lot since then. This year, 2 months in, I feel like I've cooked up a whole lot, just because this is what I want to do, you know. So any free time I got, I'm here. I'm using Native Instruments machine. That's what I kind of learned off. I started off with this little thing right here. The MPK Mini. This shit, you know, went a long ways with that. Then I got introduced to this shit. The machine by one of my friends. Shout out Clutch Kid. You know, he's the one that taught me how to use this, how to really get down on sampling. From there, I just threw on my own sauce, my own shit. And, yeah, that's my equipment right here. Everything, R&B, trap, that boom bap, old school, New York, LA shit. Just a little bit of everything, because, you know, with music nowadays, you don't know what direction it's going. So I try to always be on top of the game, you know, try to just get a feel for every style. But like, you know, like this is samples with a little modern twist, you know, 808s on it. I really want to work with the, you know, different artists, network, do a lot of that. And I mean, I really want to be up there. I really want to be up there with one of the GOATs, Metro Boomin. Shout out Metro. But yeah, just really work with a lot of artists, you know, just anyone in general. If I like your sound, if I see you got good shit going on for you, like, you know, I'm always down to network, work with just different people. But really be up there. Just, you know, do something I love. Say fuck a 9 to 5. You feel me? And just really do some shit I like, which is music. So that's what I plan on doing right there.